Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing the Scrawlrbox for the month of March. It feels really light, like if there's nothing in there, but I can hear something, so let's see what's so light. Here we go, let's see. Oh, this is so cute. Watercolor or markers? I don't know. It's very cute. It's done by Anna Caroline Bjordal. Sorry, Anna. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but your art is really lovely. And we have a sheet of black paper and some white paper. Very smooth, so, and it's not super thick, so it could be just markers. Let's see. And we start with a sparkly hybrid. Is it by Pentel? It's called Dual Metallic. Japan. It's violet. Ooh, nice. Let's see, what did I see? It's a 1 millimeter, so it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. Oh, it has a tint of blue in it. It looks like purple ink with blue sparkles. Nice. Oh wow. Not sure if you can see that. Wow. Okay. Oh, we have a blue one. And it has some kind of, yeah, it looks like the sparkles are green. Oh, here, silly me. Look at this. We can see on the cap. It's purple with blue sparkle, and here it's blue with green sparkles. I get it. Do we have any more of these? Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Fizz Whiz. I'm sure they're like pop rocks. Super cool. Kind of fits really nicely with this. Alright, what else do we have? We have a Pilot V5 hi-tecpoint. Those are really cool. Well, it's really fine tip. They're great because they really glide on the paper. The ink is so smooth. I gotta check though if it's waterproof. And then we have, ooh, look at this, a koh-i-noor Hardtmuth Magic pencil. Okay. It's all sparkly too. So let's see what's magic about it. So the lead is not sparkly, but you have all sorts of different colors mixed together. It's kind of as if they had a bunch of pieces of pencil leads left over, and then just like melted them all together into one. So there's orange, yellow, and blue. It's kind of cool because you can see the yellow and the blue as you're writing on the paper. It makes a nice green. But you never know what's coming next. And finally, we have a Wink of Luna brush. I already have one of those. They're really pretty. Luckily, it's not the same color. Ew. Oh, that's right. This one was meant to open until I figured out you could just open the back. So what color is it? Metallic green. So you get rid of the little ring here, and then when you screw it back on, it's gonna pop the little opening there. And then you just kind of have to push on both sides to get the ink to come down. Oh, it's already coming. Here it is. Oops, a little bit too much. It's kind of what I remember. It's beautiful ink and it's really pretty and shiny, but it feels dry. It doesn't come out, like the tip never gets really wet, and so you always have some dry brush effects unless you go very slow on the paper. But anyway, let's see what I can do with this. I wanted to try the supplies on scrap pieces of black paper and watercolor paper, or at least better paper than what I had used. And I noticed two things. First, on the black paper, it looks like the Pentel pens change colors. So the black of the paper seems to absorb the purple, so only the blue shows, and it also absorbs the blue of the other metallic pen, and only the green shows. It's very interesting. Whereas on the white paper, both colors show actually. As far as the Wink of Luna ink is concerned, it really gets absorbed by the black paper, and if you want it to shine, you need to go over it a couple of times. It works pretty well on the watercolor paper. Also, the ink in the Pilot pen is not waterproof, so gotta be careful with that. In fact, none of the inks are waterproof. But you'll see soon in my time lapse that I took advantage of that. Okay, where to start? Do you really want me to tell you what I think about this box? I have nothing against the supplies, although, well, alright, I'll tell you. First of all, I'm a bit disappointed that Scrawlrbox sent us another Wink of Luna. That's right, I already have one, I told you earlier, but that's because Scrawlrbox sent one in the July box. Thank goodness it was a different color, but still. I didn't like it much back then, and I still don't like it. It's a great concept, the color is nice, but to me the ink doesn't flow very well, and I just don't appreciate using it. So now I have two of them, which I probably will never use, and I just put them in my giveaway drawer. So one of these days I have a giveaway, and the winner will receive those two brushes, because I'm sure some people like them. They're probably really nice for lettering, and maybe I'm using them wrong, I don't know, but they're not for me. In the January box we received markers that we had already received in the previous box as well. So I hope it's not going to be a habit, because otherwise I think my Scrawlrbox subscription is going to end for me pretty soon. Okay, now for the rest of the supplies, I think the pencil is kind of I don't know what to do with that. I mean, there's a bunch of colors coming out. You never know what colors you're gonna get, and I think it was just an afterthought. Oh, let's put this in the box as well because the barrel is all sparkly and it'll fit in. To me, it's more like a kid pencil and you can't really do anything with it. And the Pentel metallic gel pens, they're really nice. I really love the colors, but I think those are great for highlights. They probably would be great for calligraphy too, but again, highlights would be better. I didn't know how to use them, so luckily they were water soluble and I was able to use them with the water brush we get last month in the box. But again, I really like the colors. The Pilot pen is great. That was the only one that I really liked in the whole box this month. It's really smooth and it glides, and yeah, also because it was not waterproof, I was able to use it for the shadowing and all. But all in all, I was not very impressed with the box this month. I didn't really enjoy the challenge much. In fact, this is not my first challenge. I already drew something, took me about 2 hours, and I just hated the result. I really didn't like it. I'm not super happy with this one, but it's so much better than the last one. Anyway, I'm gonna stop complaining. It was still fun to figure out what to draw, but yeah, I'm glad this challenge is over and we'll move on to the next box with hopefully no supplies from a previous box. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.